Please ensure that you keep all body parts inside the train while we are travelling. Do not lean out of the carriages. There is vegetation and infrastructure quite close to the track in places. And finally, for your comfort and convenience, you will find a lavatory located in each of your carriages. And the last little note on that, again, from a comfort and convenience point of view, we do have a small bar, servery and cafe open at the end of car F, which is the first of the steel-bodied carriages towards the rear of the train in the direction of travel. We do have a range of alcoholic beverages there, non-alcoholic beverages, snacks, hot pies and confectionery. But in the meantime, sit back, relax and enjoy your journey with us. As I said, we do have quite a large crew of our GDR staff here on board the train today. We've got Jaden, Kat, myself, Glenn, Tim, Lauren, Sean, Finn, Summer, Ray, Natalie, and Mike, and I think that is everybody. At least it's everybody that I can remember. But please ensure that you do say hello to them. If you've got any questions or anything, please feel free to ask us. I'm more than happy to help out.
Railway to Mount Maunganui. We'll be here for a short time, then we'll make our way back to Tauranga, and then we will go to the Air Museum. Turn the train around and head back to Tauranga.
Drive and flick a few switches, cut the brake out on the locomotive, go to the driving compartment on the other end, flick a few switches, cut the brake back in. We're doing a lot of running around when we get to the mount. Locos will cut off and then run around. If we have one locomotive, we have to turn it, which you can do, but it takes time. Now, usually with diesel electric locomotives, if they decide to do it, it's drivers with the same license. You can take the front loco and the second loco offline. So, what guys would often do, double heading locos, take the front loco offline, and then the engine is idles, and controls the train. But the engine doesn't rev up, you get a nice one. So I say there'll be a couple of bit of switching of equipment. He's also going to cut the brake out on one locomotive, which basically prevents, if you don't cut the brake out on the locomotive that you're using, when you try to release them. So you're going to cut that brake out. So any locomotive that you've cut the brake out on, it just behaves like this. Brakes on, brakes go on. Brakes on, brakes go off. The minute that becomes the lead locomotive again, to cut the brakes out. So you can control it. But every time we cut the loco off and run round, we'll do what's called an intermediate brake test. So the train manager, he will go to the opposite end of the train. He will ask the driver to apply the brakes. If the piston comes out on the rear bed, with the big piston about this big, the piston comes out. All you're doing is checking to see that the air is flowing freely through the train. And the brakes are there. So you're going to ask for brakes on, before the piston comes out, brakes off, piston goes back in, that's the brake test. So when we put the locomotive on the train at the beginning of the day, it's what's called a terminal brake test. You ask the driver to apply the brakes, and the train examiner, which I'm almost certified to be one, we will go around and we'll check every coupling, we will check every block, we will check every spring.
Thanks, guys.
Can I take a photo of you? Yes, yes. Don't be mean.
Okay, now boarding the train to head back to Hamilton. And I've got to go all the way down to carriage G. Let's look at the lovely ceiling on this old carriage. See you in Hamilton.
See you in Hamilton.
And then we had trucks we've been doing most of.
Are you getting the next one, Daniel?
Yeah, I'm going down to carriage G.
Oh.
Yeah, right up the front.
Oh.
What, Station Master?
Yeah. Well, no, within GlenBrook as a whole.
Do they
Excuse me.
have the same restriction going through the forest around town?
No, not at all. Straight through.
Okay people, so that brings my journey aboard the Kaimai Express courtesy of GlenBrook Vintage Railway to an end here at Frankton. It's been a great day and I look forward to doing it again. Hope you've enjoyed this journey just as much as I have, and thank you.